Zoo Manners, from Class 2 portrays zoo etiquette through engaging poems and stories. It teaches children the importance of respecting animals and behaving responsibly at the zoo. The poems highlight the joy of observing animals while emphasizing courteous behavior towards them. The accompanying stories feature characters learning about proper conduct and care for zoo animals, promoting empathy and awareness. In conclusion, Zoo Manners encourages young readers to appreciate wildlife responsibly and enjoy their zoo visits while respecting the animals' habitats. For more enriching educational content, subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning.